ABML stock is showing strength within a longer term bearish trend, and as of January the 30th of 2023, we projected that it's going to get to $0.9. That is around, it has actually surpassed that target. As you can see in the post-market session of the 3rd of March 2023, it closed at $1.09, so which is above that 0.9 target. And as of Tuesday the 28th of February, the company reported it down here. It's saying it reported, or rather it announced, the results of its third-party qualified person audited Inferred resource report that details the analysis of its lithium deposits at its Tonopah Flats lithium project in Big Smoky Valley, Nevada, which has resulted in the identification of one of the largest known lithium deposits in the United States. So ABTC Tonopah Flats lithium project encompasses 517 unpatented lode claims covering approximately 10,340 acres, and ABTC controls 100% of the mining lode claims comprising the Tonopah Flats property and the rights to all locatable subsurface minerals without any royalties. ABTC began surface sampling of these claims in summer of 2021 and subsequently performed multiple subsurface drilling programs totaling 12,000 feet of exploration covering approximately 65,000 of its property. Okay, so that was the news, and we didn't cover that. So yes, like I pointed out earlier on, it's showing strength within a longer term bearish trend, and has now the stock is now well into our Fibonacci grid we plotted several months ago. So right now we can see that as of the 20, as a matter of fact, the day we covered the last video, the last time we covered the stock was the last day it printed its was when it printed its 52-week low of $0.4, and then on that day we projected a move towards 0.9, and that has come to pass. So what's next now? Is it going to break out? Is it going to break this 1.04 Fibonacci projections? 1.04, will it get there? And on trading view on Friday, it's actually gained 21.6%. on Friday the 3rd of March, it gained 21.69%. so on its 1 minute live projection, there's a 1.04 projected, or rather 1.04 is definitely projected as well. So I think 1.05 is projected, 1.05 and 1.03 are projected. So this projection we have here on Charles Schwab is pretty much in line. And also the next one we have is 1.17. let's see whether that is also the case on this 1 minute live chart. 1.19, 1.18 pretty much in line. 1.18 is also projected. But outside that, we have these are our own projections: 1.29, 1.44, 1.69. There's absolutely no guarantee any of those will happen. It is trading at a huge premium to all of its moving averages. So the probability of it retracing is pretty much high. I would say the probability of retracing is up to 70%. So there's a good chance it will retrace, and you can decide whether you're going to average down or not. But the problem, I think we ourselves, we failed to take advantage of this 52-week low when we called it. We didn't take advantage. We didn't buy more. We have just been stuck on this to 72. We should have increased more, and definitely we have seen the rally that's going on right now. And also we've been hearing about offshoring, also onshoring right now. So it is companies like small companies like Abml that will that will take advantage, that will benefit from some of these things that are going on right now. It will they will definitely benefit, because right now we are seeing that a lot of US companies don't want to really over rely on China. So interest rates are high right now. They will still remain that way. It's not going to break the US economy. It's, if you're expecting it to go back down, maybe not. It's not going to happen. A lot of things are happening right now. So ABML, there's a good chance it might benefit, but ABML is also currently not making money. This is also what you have to bear in mind. It's still developing its concept, developing its technology, and all that stuff. It's not really the what it wants to do, what it's telling us it wants to do. It's not, hasn't really started doing that and all that stuff. So these are also some of the things you have to bear in mind, indeed, you know. So upper projections all the way towards $1.69, you know, and the next target is 1.04. Will it get there? Statistically, there's a good chance it can get there, but at the same time as well, I'm also saying that, you know, expect it to retrace. Okay, so if it retraces, see whether you can buy that deep. You know, the reason why it's going to retrace, the reason why we think it's going to retrace is because it's trading at a premium to its moving averages. So statistically, you know, there's a probability that will happen. I would say up to 70% that it's going to cool off a bit, you know. So see what you make of it, and thank you very much for watching this video.